Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Okay, so this video is like an impromptu kind of video. I was putting up some of the Dollar Tree items that I've been picking up here and there lately, and I was about to put them away, but I was so inspired to go ahead and create a few replicas or inspired decor that I've hauled from like Home Goods. So I found a few things that I'm able to recreate. Let's start. All right, you guys, the first thing that I was so inspired to do is the cake stand, okay? I have a few items. It's not gonna be exact, but I know that we can get the same look for definitely a lot less, because this was very, very pricey for this cake stand. We're gonna make a smaller miniature version with Dollar Tree items. So so this is the cake stand yet again, and here are the items that I feel will make the perfect replica with Dollar Tree items. This is just what I had here already. I didn't go out and buy this stuff right now. So starting out will be, how perfect would that be? Okay, so, and again, the candlestick. And for the dome, we're gonna go ahead and use this. Now the Dollar Tree may have a clear bowl or so, but this is just what I had around the house. And for the topper, I'm going to use this little, this bell. All right, so let's get the stickers off. We're going to go ahead and hot glue that together. We're going to put this on the top. And we're going to go ahead and remove the tag and glue that. Look at this. Isn't that just so, so awesome? All right, let me get it. And it fits perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead now. I don't know if these little jingle bells will still be available, but you can use a crystal knob from Hobby Lobby, anything like that. Okay, so how easy was that? Here is a $50 cake stand, and this costs less than $5. And you get the same look. You can pick it up. Again, you could eat 6,000 that on there. But this is the perfect size for this little plate. And you get the, it's so cute. And if you wanted it taller, you definitely could use this candlestick and make it taller here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue it. Ooh, you can flip your pan over and make, look, it fits inside the cake plate so well if you flip it over. How cute. That's even more like the cake stand, isn't it? Ooh, I love that. Okay, if you wanted to. But because this is a small version, I think this is super cute. And you can embellish it, like it has the stones right here. You can put it there, but since it has a texture, you can embellish around here or even add stones there. But how cute is that replica? And I just made that in no time. All right, let's keep moving. Okay, here's the next thing that I was inspired to create. The thing I'm gonna get, I'm gonna show you two different versions of it. I think this one that I'm about to make is my favorite. Okay, so this is what I'm inspired by. I have two of these little metal pans from the Dollar Tree and two candle holders, all right? You can definitely use the same size if you want to. I think it's a lot cuter and funner to mix and match. So I'm gonna take this little oval tin. These are really good quality to come from the Dollar Tree, actually. I'm gonna take this, put it on the top, hot glue that, and then this right here, that's gonna be our topper, okay? And that's our inspired piece there. Now, if that's a bit too high, I actually like the height on it actually, but if it's a bit too high, you can use two of these sides here and get a smaller version. And then I'll show you what it looks like if you decided to use the same shape. And there you have this one. Yeah, I really like the height of this right there. Using this crystal cup from the Dollar Tree is definitely another idea. It just takes up more of the plate, but I still like it. And then this is what we have. So that's an idea as well. So here is my version of this. I totally would eat 6,000 if this is going to be something permanently in your home. You can use this as candy dishes, put cupcakes, just set it out as a decor piece. I think I'm going to change this. I think I like this part at the bottom. Let me do that. Let me flip it. I think I actually like it with nothing on there. It looks more classier like that. But you can also add, do you just want something simple in the middle? I think that's cuter. So I'll just go ahead and put the bell on there instead of adding the candlestick. But let me show you what it'll look like if we did add the candlestick. It'll look like this. So just a preference. Either one is cute, but I'm gonna put the bell. No idea what they are, but it came in a pack of 2, maybe little bowls. And I have this candlestick here, or if you want it a bit shorter, you can use this candlestick here. But I like the clear. So this is a super easy one as well. We're just gonna take the tags off, hold it in place like that, possibly add the bell in the middle as well. If not, oh, this would be super cute. These came from the Dollar Tree as well, so let's add that. So here's my Dollar Tree version. I know it's a bit of a stretch to recreate this one, but these maybe not the best idea because they're a little spongy, so they don't stay completely sealed. But here you go. That's my interpretation of this little thing, but you can create this way better using this little plate. All right, this last idea is going to be a bit of a stretch, but here is what I was inspired to make. Okay, I have these 3 jars. All right, and what I'm going to use for the center is this cooking little salad tongs. Okay, so this is a bit of a stretch, but we're gonna go with it. I hate to do this because I really kind of need a salad thing, but that's okay. We're just gonna break it apart and we're gonna use the spoon parts of it. I have more of these. This will be definitely more like that. So since I only have 2, you know, if you went on and then you put a 3rd one right here, it will give you the same look like this. And then for here, you can even use this as our center, like that. And then we can glue. We'll have to figure it out. Probably it'll be better this way. And figure out how to glue or hold it together. So that's also an idea, but since I don't have enough of those trays, we're gonna go ahead and rock out. You can just literally take them apart just like this, and they just come right out. So this is the part we need, is the spoon, and we're just gonna glue them all together. All right, now we have the spoon glued on. We're just gonna go ahead and add I'm gonna put some glue on the side right here, a generous amount. I'm stretching it, but you can still get the look for less, you know. This is the Dollar Tree 3 cups and this salad spoon. Now, Ideally, I would have liked to use both of them to make it beefier, but this would not, the two would not stick together. Like, that's why I have to pull it apart. But anyways, here are my Dollar Tree recreations. This will be cute for a candy dish, or even like I have here. This sits on our little table and we have nuts in there. You can definitely put nuts, candy here. So, you know, it's just a cute little idea. Maybe put it as coffee table decor, or even take this out and you can house candles. So whatever you choose to do, but that was my inspiration. Here is our little two-tiered tray, which I was inspired by here. And my ultimate is the little baby cake stand. I think it's super adorable. Love it so much. All right, there also is Dollar Tree bowl that you can also use. Let's take this off. I like this size too. It's a bit too big for this size here, and it may be a too small. And here's this right here. It may be a little bit too small for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little DIYs that I transformed, you know, was inspired from the items that I got from like Home Goods or higher end stores, and I just went on and created my own version. Look, I have glue everywhere. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments which one is your fave. I have to say the little cake stand is super cute. I do like this one as well though. That's cute. And this is a little bit of a stretch. But definitely get creative, and you can even put the fork, have the fork upright like this, and then hot glue that down in there. That'll be super cute as well. But I was gonna try to recreate these, but I really couldn't finish or figure it out to make it realistic. So maybe another day, another time. Alrighty, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.